Okay, read the title of this video. Weird way to earn $17,500 in a week with affiliate marketing. Is this possible? I really doubt it. Not because of the number, but because of the system. To be honest, these weird ways to make money online are so weird. They hardly ever work out. This might be an exception, so I want to check this out. And if you watch this video till the end, not only you will learn whether this weird method actually works or not, but also you will learn the random world facts method that you can use to make $5 million to $7 million hypothetically, like this channel, Facts World. And I have a good news for you. Epic is coming to you for free. Link is in the description. You can go get it. You can make money without marketing, without selling, without experience, without technical knowledge. Any beginner can start making money in this method starting today. You will be making money with free random pictures, unknown facts from the internet, and pure laziness. Yes, laziness, because my software Epic will take 99% of the workload on your behalf using artificial intelligence. You can get Epic from the link in the description. We make $1,000 to $5,000 per day using the exact same system, and you can make it too. The system is 100% beginner friendly, and you can start doing it and start making money starting today without any website, without hosting server, without creating products, without driving traffic, without any experience, and without technical knowledge. You can get paid using PayPal, bank transfer, Stripe, or any other methods, including crypto and digital currency. Before we begin, I want to introduce today's sponsor. Our today's sponsor is none other than you. We would love to have you as our sponsor, and I'm sure you will love it too, because you don't have to spend any money. All you have to do is to become a part of our noble mission of helping 100 million individuals and families get rid of their financial distress by learning to earn online. We want only two things from our sponsors, which is you. Simply hit the like button below this video and share this video with your friends and family. Share in social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. Message your social media contacts, social media groups, and private chat groups like Reddit, Messenger, Telegram, WhatsApp chat groups. This is the only way you can help us reach 100 million individuals and families and help them with the right direction on how to make money online. The right way, the easy way, and the fun way without wasting time, money, and energy. And we want to achieve this in 10 years from now. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video. By the way, if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we upload our next How to Make Money Online video. Your chances to hit your first $1 million with this method are weirdly high. We know this system works because right now we follow the same system and make money from YouTube, but we use our own app Epic for this. And we make $5 to $6 from every visitor we get from our videos. $5,000 from 1,000 visitors, and we made over $60,000 from around 12,000 visitors from our videos from 2 of our offers. If you hate being on the camera, I have a good news for you, because you don't need to use cameras. Epic allows you to make videos using simply copying and pasting free images, links, and texts. You don't need to record your voice using microphone because Epic makes natural voice over using text-to-voice technology. Epic writes the scripts for your videos using built-in artificial intelligence with a push of a button. And all the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get 100% full free access to our videos as well. From inside their user dashboard, they can use our videos as templates and make their own videos using them. But we are not going to stop there. We will show you how these guys are making money using this simple yet weird method. And you can start making the same amount of money today. Making $17,000 in a week is very possible, but you don't need a weird way to make money. So let's see if this video is an exception or not. First, let's see how credible the YouTube channel is that uploaded this video so we don't waste our time. The channel has 178,000 subscribers, which is good and is a verified channel with a tick. Number of views on their videos are pretty high. So it looks like it's an authentic and it's a good channel. In fact, I know the creator, he's a good guy and he creates awesome content. So the channel is good and the content is good. Let's go ahead. I will give you the quick summary of what's inside the video. The video takes us to a website, popray.com, which is a website that sells Facebook likes and Instagram followers. Wait, I'm not done yet. You won't have to buy fake likes or followers. The video then talks about the referral system of popray.com, which is authentic and it sounds useful. If you bring them sales between $10,000 to $50,000, you get 30% of the total. Now, this is where it gets really weird and really hard. How will you get people to buy from you? Well, as a solution, the next step the video shows is go to Quora and search for queries like how to get Instagram followers. So we answer some related questions and paste your affiliate link in the comment section. Next, it tells you to go to Facebook and search for Facebook groups about Instagram engagement, Instagram growth, etc. and join them. After joining, start engaging in a few groups by answering related queries, and again paste your affiliate link below your answer. That's it. Do these two things and you will make $70,500 in a week with affiliate marketing. That's what this video is claiming. But here is a big catch with this system. Now, I am an affiliate marketer. I'm a professional affiliate marketer, and one of the biggest source of my 7-figure online income system is affiliate marketing. So yes, it's guaranteed that I know a thing or two about affiliate marketing. This system will not work for multiple reasons. Yes, there are customers who will buy fake likes and followers, but selling numbers between $10,000 to $50,000 is no easy job, especially for beginners. Number 2, Quora and Facebook. They will not allow spamming your affiliate links. If you try to do that, your account will be banned. Simple. And your way to make money online is going to be stopped. So clearly this system will not work. In fact, this will hurt your online reputation. And to make money online long term using the internet, reputation is very important. You can't make money with affiliate marketing using this system. So what is the right way to make money? The right and easy way to make money in affiliate marketing is first provide value and engage people the right way. Look at this example here. This YouTube channel name is Facts World. This Facts World channel has 18.9 million views so far. It has created in February 2021. Look at this channel's revenue. They're earning good amount of money. All their videos are very simple and interesting. All the information is free information collected from the internet, and they simply put the free images and a little bit of text and a little background music together to make the videos. And look, some of their videos have crossed millions of views. People love their videos. So we can hypothetically say this verified channel, Facts World, has made 18.9 times $5, which is $94.5 million from their videos. Not bad at all. This is just an assumption, but it's possible. People love to know about random facts. They love to consume content that is educational, interesting, and entertaining. What you should do now is simply take ideas from such channels, use my software Epic, and start making videos. Get views and drive all your views and visitors to your affiliate links embedded in your video description and in the first comment. Yeah, do that all the time. Put your links in the description and in the first comment. Now let me show you some amazing numbers. I just searched with World Facts on YouTube and went to Shorts feed. The first video has 1.8 million views, the second one 79,000 views, the third one 816,000 views, fourth one 9 million views, 702 views, 12 million views, 5.2 million views. These shorts are 1-minute videos. They are extremely easy to make. Anyone can make, especially using softwares like Epic. Now, in case you're thinking why I'm showing you shorts while there are lengthy videos as well, the reason is that YouTube is trying to make shorts popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So you get free marketing from YouTube if you make short videos. YouTube is promoting shorts and shorts creators heavily, and it makes our life super easy because it's just 1 minute video and it can be made using amazing AI software like Epic in just 3 minutes. Let's make a product review video using Epic. First, copy the headline, go to the text section and paste the text. Click the add text button to add the text on the canvas. Now here's a beautiful thing. You can copy image address or the link or the URL, go to the image section and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be on the canvas without uploading or downloading hassle. Now add a voiceover, go to the audio section and go down below text to audio, give it a title, select your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Then one click of a button and the voiceover is ready. You can use the text to generator artificial intelligence to generate unique text for you anytime you want, for anything you want. Now we want to add another clip. For that, go to the top right section and clone the current clip. Let's play with the image size a little bit to fit the image and make room for some text. Copy this product detail text from Amazon and paste it here. Do a little customization and add the text on the canvas. Then play with the size, shape and location to match your taste. Change the type of font if you want. Take a little section from the text and turn it into your audio voiceover. Let's add another clip and upload an image. Image is uploaded and added into the canvas. Add another image, rotate and pan. Play around a little bit to match your taste. This is the technical details section and we need to add another voiceover using text to audio. For the next section, we will take screenshot of a positive feedback or a review from customers. Use the highlighting elements to highlight the important parts of the review. Upload the review on another clip. Name this section as customer review section and copy the link of another image. Add it on the canvas by pasting the link. Little panning and zooming to fit your taste. Take a section of the text and create an text to audio voiceover. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be ready in the backend and you will be notified using email when the video is ready.
Sunny Health and Fitness Unisex Adult Review. Buy it from the link in the first comment and in description.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way and the fun way. In return, we want a simple favor from you. Please hit the like button below, subscribe our channel and switch on the notification bell button. Also, you can help your friends and family and social media contacts with learning how to make money online by sharing this video with them. Do that and they will love you. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and they will refer more customers to you, helping you make more money. Plus, you will get notified when we will upload our next how to make money online video, and we will see you in the next video.